Hello everyone, I am Mamata. Currently, I am studying my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering at Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram. Now, I am going to explain the below topics. Objects in JavaScript. Definition. Objects are the collection of key value pairs where keys are strings and values can be any data type. The purpose of objects are these are used to store the related data and functionality together. Here is an example. We can see that let person is equal to name, a set of name comma age. Here we are declaring a person called object. Here we are naming that object called as person. We are giving some information about that person called as name comma age. And second one is functions in the JavaScript. Definition. Blocks of code that perform a task and can be reused. There are three types: function declaration, function expression, arrow function. And coming to the example, here we are using the function called as add. The name of the function is add and we are giving some arguments a comma b. Return a comma b. Here we are giving a function of name add and we are giving some arguments a comma b and we are returning some value called as a plus b. That means it will give the sum of the two arguments a comma b. And third one, difference between var, let and const. Var, let and const are three keywords which are used to declare some variables. Var keyword is used in the olden days. Usually we are avoiding this var keyword in the modern days of our code. Let keyword is used to declare a variable which can be modified or changed in anywhere of our code. And const keyword is used to declare some variable which is a fixed value which cannot be changed in anywhere of the code. And third one is JavaScript modules. Definition. A way to split JavaScript code into separate files for better organization and reuse. The uses of the JavaScript modules are export values or functions from one file to another and import them in another. Example. Here we are using a function that named as add and we are giving some arguments called as a comma b and we are returning the value a plus b. Here it will return the value which is the sum of the arguments a comma b. Here we are using the JavaScript module called as import. Import means it is importing the value that is add, whatever the value in that function add, it will import that. Thank you.